Hello, my little Audubon friends. I'm making this video to show you how to utilize the sample student. So what this is every activity also is assigned to a sample student. So if you are assigned an activity and the instructions are not clear, you don't really understand what you're supposed to do, you can click onto journal and then you can click onto the sample student. And what the sample student area is, it's activities that I have completed. So you know what the finished activity will look like. So here is the photograph activity when it's finished. So that's what it'll look like. You can scroll down, you can listen.
If my parents would let me have any pet, I think I would like to have an elephant.
So that was my voice response for that activity. And then you can scroll down and you can see what the finished product is supposed to look like. So that's way if any of the instructions are not very clear or you just want to see what an example looks like, you're going to click on the sample student. And then you'll click on your activity tab and then you can complete the activity. I hope this helps.